Hello friends! Those of you who use YugabyteDB alongside Azure Synapse Analytics or another service of the Microsoft Intelligent Data Platform should be excited. Yugabyte has partnered with Microsoft to introduce a direct integration from your beloved database, which is YugabyteDB, into their Microsoft Intelligent Data Platform. As of now, you can already stream changes from your YugabyteDB cluster into the Azure environment and then analyze the data using Azure Synapse Analytics or Power BI or other services. But the current solution requires you to configure and maintain several components, including Kafka, Debezium, and Azure Events Hub. And this might be way too much for some of you. And this is the reason why we have started working on that integration. With the new integration, you will be able to link your YugabyteDB cluster with Microsoft Intelligent Data Platform within a minute. And as wise people say, one demo is worth 1,000 words. This is why let me show you the early version of the prototype of that integration. Let's go. Let's explore the prototype. This is the configuration screen that you need to set up if you want to stream changes from YugabyteDB into the Microsoft Intelligent Data Platform. So first you need to provide reference to your existing YugabyteDB cluster. I have this instance running, and you can decide on the tables that you want to stream the changes from. In this case, let's stream all the changes from the traits table. All of the changes will be written in the parquet format into your ADLS storage. So this is my ADLS account name, and this is the directory under that account. Once the data lands in the ADLS, you will be able to set up and query it using Azure Synapse Analytics, Power BI, and other services of the Intelligent Data Platform. All right, let's save these changes. And after that, take a look at this sample application. So we have a special trading application that captures mock trades from a third-party service, and those trades are written into my YugabyteDB cluster. So right now I have a little bit more than 600 trades in YugabyteDB. So let's start streaming and capturing the trades from that service. So you can see that we are receiving the trades, and the data in YugabyteDB gets updated. Wonderful. So we have this data coming and captured and stored in YugabyteDB. But previously, we configured the streaming also from YugabyteDB into the ADLS. So let's take a look. So this is my ADLS storage, and here is I have a few parquet files. This is where the data from YugabyteDB lands, and this is the raw format. So if I refresh this screen, you will see that the new files are being added right now in real time, because the new trades are coming to YugabyteDB continuously, and all of the data is batched and sent over to this ADLS account. Once the data is in DLS, you can, as I said, configure your Azure Synapse Analytics, Power BI, or other service to query it. So I have Synapse Analytics SQL pool prepared for this demo. I have this table with the same columns and with the same format. And if you, let's say, let's query the last trades. So here is what we have. These are the last trades that we received and that are stored in the ADLS storage. Also, we can take a look at the most popular stocks or tickers. What stocks people buy the most? You have Google, you have linen clothes, and a few other stocks. So this is the total number. So how the data gets updated? But let me show you what we do. We have this special pipeline, and what this pipeline does, we read data from this ADLS directory that you have seen before, and we put the changes and the data into this SQL pool table that we created for this demo. Also, there are two triggers that we created. One of the triggers is stopped at the moment, but basically ADLS will notify Synapse about the new data whenever we add a new parquet file into that ADLS directory. This is what you can do. Or another trigger that is running right now, it's a time-based trigger. Basically, every minute, my Synapse Analytics pulls the new data from the just arrived parquet files. So, and this is how you can get the latest copy of the data available for your analytical queries. Okay, now if we go back to the ADLS and refresh the screen, yes, we see many more parquet files written into the storage. And if we go back to this SQL script, let's run a query and see that the result has changed. Yeah, you can see that the data is being updated, and every minute Synapse Analytics pool gets the new data, reads this data from my ADLS storage, and you can query it, and you can query this data in real time. All right, friends, this is what's coming, and this is what's going to be available for you in the nearest future. So now ring the bell if you like what we have been working on, and also subscribe to our channel to get notified about the updates. Stay tuned. See you in the future. Bye bye now.